Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, comment, like, press the notification bell. Whenever I drop the video, it will notify you that totally I have dropped the video. So thank you, and then let's get into it. My top 5 horror movies. First one will be Wrong Turn. Wrong Turn, it was insane. That franchise, I think they did up to 5 movies or 6 movies. To still remember Wrong Turn 2 when they dragged that chick, they opened her into 2 pieces. That was insane, man. I'm still getting goosebumps when I think of it. Number 2, it will be Saw, the Jigsaw. 60 seconds games to survive. That was crazy as well. Sorry, number 3 it will be Scream. Do you still remember Scream with the white mask and the black? I don't know if it's an overall or what. Some black thingy. Yeah, that was crazy as well, man. Number 4 it will be Anacondas. Do you still remember the one with Jennifer Lopez and Ice Cube? Boom, boom, boom. That was crazy. That was crazy, man. And then number 5 will be Chucky. You still remember the doll that doesn't even mess, pretending as if it's just a normal doll. Yeah, man, that was my 5 horror movies. Please, on the comment section, please let me know of your 5 horror movies. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe so we can grow this channel. A lot of videos are coming, man. Even the podcast is coming as well. So please stay tuned.